Welcome back to our cozy kitchen.
Today we are making a classic caramelized Basa fish.
These thick pieces are perfect for braising.
Let us prepare the fish.
Adding a little pork belly for extra richness.
Slicing it into bite-sized pieces.
This will render down beautifully.
Setting the pork aside.
Now for our essential aromatics.
Shallots bring a deep, savory flavor.
Garlic makes everything better. A little heat is exactly what we need.
Beautiful red slices for a spicy kick.
And some green onions for our garnish.
Let us marinate the Basa fish.
Two spoons of premium fish sauce.
A touch of sugar to balance the saltiness. Plenty of black pepper for warmth. This dark caramel gives it that signature color.
Coat every single piece perfectly. We will let this rest for 30 minutes.
Time to cook in our traditional clay pot.
A little oil to start. Frying the aromatics until golden.
In goes the pork belly.
Stirring until it is beautifully browned.
The base flavor is going to be incredible.
Gently adding our marinated fish.
Searing the fish slightly on both sides. Turning them over carefully. Pouring all that wonderful sauce in. Adding warm water to just cover the fish.
Bring it to a rolling boil.
Now we lower the heat and let it braise.
Slow cooking makes the magic happen.
Basting the fish so it glazes perfectly.
Hit like if this is making you hungry.
Look at that stunning caramelized color. The sauce is rich, sticka, and savory.
A generous handful of fresh green onions.
Adding our fresh red chilies.
And a final touch of black pepper.
Turning off the heat, but the clay pot keeps cooking.
Subscribe for more authentic Vietnamese recipes.
Let us serve this hot right in the pot.
Dinner is served.
This caramelized fish is a true classic.
You must eat this with warm white rice. Time to enjoy.
The aroma is absolutely mouth-watering. Getting some of that sticky glaze.
This sauce is everything. Look at how tender and flaky the meat is. Perfectly cooked.
The ultimate comfort bite. Salty, sweet, and perfectly balanced. A true staple of Vietnamese home cooking.
Such gorgeous, rich colors.
Cooking in clay pots locks in all the flavor. A beautiful day for a hearty meal.
I really hope you try making this.
Thank you for joining our cozy kitchen.
Do not forget to like and subscribe.
Have a wonderful dinner.
Cooked with love.
Every bite is packed with flavor.
Simply irresistible.
Beautiful kitchen light. Perfectly presented.
A true family favorite. A masterpiece of flavors.
See you in our next cooking adventure. One more spoonful of this amazing sauce.
It is too good to resist. A comforting pot of joy. Enjoy your meal. Goodbye for now. Thank you so much.
Happy cooking.
See you in the next journey.